Good morning, guys. Today we have a new recipe for you. It's morning, guys. So here we are going to make a recipe. This is the bowl and the whisper. We're going to use the baking powder, salt, milk, and then eggs are there, and then we have our all-purpose flour or all-purpose flour is all there. So welcome, guys, welcome, and a sieve to sieve our flour. So for a start, we are going to start with our flour. We put our flour. This is normal all-purpose flour, the one for chapati or roti. This is the one. I'm gonna sieve it. So we're gonna sieve our flour first. This to help the moisture, our pancake to be fluffy. Yeah, and that is the baking powder, and then we'll add salt, and then we're gonna use milk. I'm gonna use milk with water. Yes, milk and water. And then we use our eggs, and then you mix it very well. You make sure you have mixed it very well, all of them together. So there I'm adding a baking powder because I've added the flour, and then it's time to put salt. And I don't like sugar in my pancakes, but sometimes I eat sugar. I put sugar in the pancake, but I don't love it. So here I'm not going to use sugar. I'm going to use the salt only. So after mixing everything, and then we're gonna start to fry them, and I'm going to have this with rosemary tea. Yeah, I love natural rosemary tea. It's what we are going to take with this because it's morning. So that's what you're going to take with. So you're welcome, guys. You're welcome, and thank you so much for joining, liking, sharing, subscribing to my videos. And please continue watching, sharing, and showing me love. And I really appreciate. Yeah, I'm trying my best to give you Vlogmas, which is very hard to find. Videos every day, to post them every day. It's very hard, guys. So as I struggle here to give you videos, to give you recipes, to do live streams, shorts, please make sure you subscribe on your end. Make sure you share. Make sure you leave a nice comment for me, please. And make sure, please, you like and you all watch other recipes on the channel. So you're welcome, guys, and let us do this. Let us make this breakfast. So I've already added milk, as you have seen there. I've already added milk. Now added water. Mix it together. So after mixing, I decided to put it in the fridge. You put it in the fridge, and it's now the time I'm putting tea. Yeah, it's now the time I'm putting tea. So you're going to have rosemary tea. I love rosemary. I love organic food. Just in short, I love organic food. I love that. So you're going to have rosemary tea. I had lemongrass, but it's kind of spoiled, so I'm only going to use the rosemary. So as it boils, the mixture, I have put it in the fridge. Yeah, put it in the fridge to allow the baking powder to do its work. So it means after mixing everything, you have to let your mixture settle for baking powder to work, or to mix well, or to marinate well. And then as we wait for that, let us cook the rosemary tea.
We were just passing time, coffee dates and blurry nights. Laughed at all your crazy lines, never thought twice. I told myself it's nothing deep, no need to fall, no need to keep any part of you in me. But look at me now. You held my hand like it was light, but it burned into my skin. I thought I'd walk away just fine, then you walked in. And it's more than just a little, more than just a spark. It's a wildfire in the middle of my cautious heart. I thought I had it figured out, but baby, there's no doubt I'm in more than just a little. I'm in all the way now. I used to float, not dive too deep. Guarded shores and restless sleep. Now I trace the way you breathed. You're in my dreams. Your jacket still hangs on my chair, like you're still there, like I still care. Guess I do more than I dare. It's getting real. You smiled like it was nothing.
So this is the second last, and then it's time to set my table. It's time to set my table. As you can see, a few minutes and your breakfast is ready. Just few minutes, guys. This is for busy people. You can consider this. So here is how I serve my breakfast these days. You see, please like, share, and subscribe, and see you next time.